Hi, in front of me is OPPO Reno5 and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock on this device. First of all, you need to tap on clock and click on it. Now select alarm if it's not already on and tap on this plus icon at the bottom right corner. Then pick an hour, and when you're done you can click on ring once or tap on custom, tap on repeat and select days of the week. I will go with every Monday, so I have to click on this option over here and go back. Now click on alarm name and label your alarm however you want to. Then save your changes by clicking at the bottom right corner over here and tap on ringtone. Now you can pick one of these melodies as your alarm sound by clicking on the chosen one and going back, but you can also choose weather adaptive over here, or tap on select from files and pick music from your device by clicking on the song that you want to set up and going back again. Then click on the switchers next to vibrate or snooze to enable or disable these options. When you're done and you want to save your alarm, click at the top right corner over here, and as you can see, my alarm was successfully added. If you want to turn it off completely, click on the switcher next to it and tap on one of the options. You can turn it back on the same way or delete it by holding it and tapping on this bin icon over here, then clicking delete. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!